Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the type of BIOS mode and partition table in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two methods. So the first method without using a third-party software and the second method using a third-party software. So for the first method, I'll show you various ways how you can find out the BIOS mode as well as the partition table. So the first way you can do is just press Win+R to open the run program, and in the run program just type this command msinfo32 and hit enter on your computer keyboard. And now on the right side you can see your BIOS mode. So you can see in my case it's written UEFI. So my computer is having a UEFI BIOS mode. So if you see here legacy, then your computer is having a legacy BIOS mode. So this is the first way. So the second way you can do is just right mouse click on your Windows Start menu icon and just select this disk management. Now you can see here written EFI system partition. That means if you see here written as EFI system partition, then we can know that it's a UEFI BIOS mode. So if you don't see here EFI system partition, then you are using a legacy BIOS mode. So this is the second way how you can find out the BIOS mode. And the third way is using a command prompt. So just open the command prompt as run as administrator. And now in the command prompt just type one command bcdedit. Just type this command bcdedit and hit enter on your computer keyboard. And now you can see here under the path, as you can see it's written .EFI. That means my computer is having UEFI BIOS mode. So if you don't see EFI here, then you are using a legacy BIOS mode. So these are the ways how you can find the BIOS mode without using a third-party software. Now let us find out the partition table. So the first way you can do is just right mouse click on your Windows Start menu icon, and once again click on this disk management, and now select the respective drive where you have installed the Windows operating system. So you can see here it's written boot. That means my Windows operating system is installed on the C drive. So firstly check out where on which drive you have installed the Windows operating system, and now just right mouse click on it and just click on this properties. Now just click on this hardware, and at the bottom you will see here properties. Just click on it. Now just click on this volumes, and at the bottom you will see here populate option. Just click on it. Now you'll see here under the partition style, as you can see here, it's showing GUID partition table. That is a GPT partition table. So my computer is having a GPT partition table. So if you see here master boot record, that means the MBR, then your computer is having a MBR partition table. So this is the first way how you can find out the partition table. And the second way is using a command prompt again. Just open the command prompt as run as administrator, and now just type disk part and hit enter. And now once again type list space disk disk and hit enter. Now you can see here on the right side one asterisk symbol is present just below the GPT. That means my Windows computer is having a GPT partition table. So if you don't see here a asterisk symbol just below the GPT, that means you are having a MBR partition table. So these are all without using a third-party software. So now let us move to the second method, that is using a third-party software. So now just open any web browser, and in the Google search for one application name as show disk partition style. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below, and now you will see a download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now we will see here two types of files. One is DP style and one is DP style into 64. So if you're using a 32-bit, then just use the first application, and if you're using a 64-bit Windows operating system, then use the second application. So now you can see the user interface. So it's a very straightforward. So you can see here partition style as written GPT. That means the partition table is GPT, and the BIOS mode that my Windows computer is having is UEFI. So this is how you can find out the BIOS mode as well as the partition table using a third-party software. So by using these two methods, you can easily find out the type of BIOS mode and partition table in any Windows computer very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.